Hey, this is Yasir. We'll solve corrupt boot manager error with another method. In this Sony Vaio, boot manager is not working. Press and hold power button to shut down system. I'm inserting Windows 10 bootable USB for system booting. Now turn it on. Press F8 to boot from USB. But still the same error message. Sometimes this issue begins when RAM is not working properly or is corrupted. You just have to replace your RAM slot with new one. If you have two RAM slots connected, then check them one by one and remove corrupted RAM. In our case, I am replacing our connected RAM to start booting process. Now reboot system. Press F8 to boot from USB. You see boot manager has started working properly. This method must helpful for you and data loss frequency is 0%. Our window installation has been started. I will came back after installation. I have showed you how to install Windows 10 in my other video. Now you see, window has installed and system is running perfectly. If you like my video, please do like and share and subscribe my channel.